Hello everybody, I'm here at High Winds and they have a little special challenge going for people who are part of their Facebook Top Fans group. It's a $20 challenge. You put $20 in, you spend through the $20 and then you show whatever you ended up with, whether win or lose. So I thought I'd record it, be kind of fun. And my first game I'm going to try is Neptune Power Link. I think we can do up to 4. You post the pictures on their Facebook page and then they draw names for some free play, I think, out of the people who post. So anyway, that'll be a little fun challenge. We're going to give it a try. So I put $20 in. I'm going to bet $1, so I'll spend 20 times, and then whatever I end up with is what I'll have a picture of. Okay, and this is what I'll submit for my challenge. So here we go. $1. That's one spin. Come on, bonus. Almost. Alright, that's 10 spins. Come on, one more. Oh, I'm at 2 more. So that's halfway. Come on, Neptune. So that's 15, so we've got 5 more spins. Three more. Alright, this will be last spin. Alright, so after 20 spins, $20, I ended up with $13. Okay, for my next 20, I'm going to try a BGT. $20 in, $2 a spin, so that'll be 10 spins, and we'll see what we end up with. Here we go. That's 5. That's 8. 9. And last spin. Alright, so we spent $20 and we got 24. Alright, my last machine is a $2 machine. $20 in, but $4, so that gives us 5 spins. Some magic to happen. You never know. Here we go. Oh, last spin. And that's what I ended up with, 0.